Right now, the Arctic is warming 4 times faster than any other place on Earth. And one of the greatest problems, of course, is the warming temperatures at the Arctic. There's two kinds of ice we need to concern ourselves with in the Arctic. One is called sea ice, and the other is glacier ice. Now, sea ice is ice that's on top of water, and it's very thin, and that's what the polar bears walk on. When that ice melts, the whiteness of the ice disappears and the darkness of the water reappears. Now, this causes something called the albedo effect. Dark colors, as you know, absorb heat, and lighter colors reflect heat. Okay, so big chunks are breaking off, like we see in the Svartisen Glacier. So now these poor glaciers are melting from the bottom as well as the top. You have this kind of weird dynamic where it's a positive feedback, where the more the ice disappears, the warmer the water gets, and the water, as it approaches the apron or the tongue of a glacier, is now getting warmer. And so what's happening is the warm water is going up underneath the glacier ice, and the warm, 4 times warmer than any place on Earth, air is warming the top of the glaciers. And when all that ice comes into the ocean water, two things happen. One, it rises the sea levels around the world, and it also desalinizes the ocean water. And that impacts on the marine life that live there. They can't live in water that doesn't have a lot of salt. So this becomes a real problem for anybody that lives nearby and relies on fishing, because now the fish are gone. All right. So this is what we wanted to investigate when we went to Norway. Like we see in the Svartisen Glacier, we lost 36 meters. Like that's an awful lot of distance of ice that's, 10 stories high. Anytime you look at the polar regions, and that includes Antarctica as well as the Arctic, you're going to find that they're kind of the bellwether. They're the canary in the coal mine, we used to say, for the rest of the world. Because what happens there is the bellwether for what's going to happen soon everywhere else. Maybe something can be done. Even the tiniest of contributions will be a significant step in the right direction. And that's why I think it's important to tell these stories in order to get people to get involved.